Hi ho! And welcome to another virtual open house brought to you by Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. Today we are again on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort and we are in Garden 9 in a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the center of the garden, overlooking the pool, southwest facing. It's a dream. I have to say, it's one of these days where I also say to myself, well done, I think it was the right decision what we did 25 years ago to move to Spain. It's starting February, we have 17 degrees today, we had a beautiful day, nearly all day sunshine, blue sky, a little bit grayish in the morning, but this disappeared pretty quickly, so we had a fantastic day today, and I'm showing you here just the tranquility of Garden 9 here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm showing you today, apart from the garden and the pool and the views and all that, a beautiful, very interesting 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and well, let's have a look. It's number 964 on our dedicated webpage, Quality Homes Costa Calida. You do find the details on the reference 3625. And, well, I think this property speaks for itself. And I'll just show you around here what I'm seeing and what we saw the first time when we listed the apartment. I think it's a very nice example of what you can do with an apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You might say, well, this is slightly different and it's quite intensive colors. That's actually true. But I think this was the purpose of the action of the owners to exactly put it this way. It's all matching here, so the cushions are matching to the wall, are matching to the flowers. It's matching to nearly everything you find in here. All has this special coloring, and it's an impression to say. Yes, it's a real impression. The property is fitted with everything you can imagine. So we have a dishwasher in the kitchen. We have a new cooker oven extractor fan installed here. We have a decent washing machine here, Energy Class A double plus. You see it's fully fitted and kitted, and all what we see is part of the offer of this apartment, reference 3625, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. All rooms are air conditioned, so air conditioning in each room. In this case, it's Samsung brand inverter technology, so it's very good for heating and for cooling at the same time. And as you can see, it's very nicely furnished. As I said, the color is something what we can discuss, no? But at the end of the day, I think it's beautifully done. Getting all these details here. I mean, I haven't seen any apartment on site really having so much attention to detail, well, also to the alterations that was done with such an impact also on the details. It's really impressive. Okay, you see me impressed, no? It's what it is, yes. As you can see, even I dressed up today in the same color as the property, just to match, and just we don't, even Anna here is wearing the same color. So we said, well, this has to be done, no? Okay, having said that, we are already in the master bedroom. A total different coloring. This is yellow. You would say it's like a Costa Cruise cabin. They're also pretty yellowish. So, yeah, but it's again beautifully done. You might say, well, I've given it another paint, another touch of paint, a different color, might be. But at the end of the day, it's, well, it's what it is. It's really great. I really like it. Yeah. Okay. It's reference 3625 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. The asking price is only 69,900 euros. We are already in the second bedroom. As you can see, it's 2 single beds, as well with bedside table. And again, this very intense coloring. But as we said, well, I don't need shade here, Darren. This is really beautiful. No, it's a great apartment. I love the colors, I love the setup, and I love also the fact that it's really done to the last detail. No? As well, what they did is they have changed the colors of the doors, because normally they're wood colored. No, this has all done in a kind of an off-white, I would say. as well, the fitted cupboards as well. Here we see them. Also have painted those in white. Well, again, off-white. So this gives another impression. And I think the apartment even looks a little bit bigger than it does with the wood color thingy. Yes, could be. Okay, we're coming back to the bathroom. The bathroom also has a little bit of bling here. Otherwise, it's a normal bathtub, glass shower screen. Also up here again, the molding as in all others. So yeah, and what else can I say? I'm just gobsmacked. Yeah, it really looks great. Having said that, obviously, as you know, these apartments have the same have a roof terrace which is more or less the same size as the apartment itself. And let's have a walk up there. So I show you the roof terrace and the views from up there. Here we go. I hope the signal keeps going. We found here a different Wi-Fi installation than in most of the other apartments, which has a much stronger Wi-Fi router than what we have in other apartments. So let's see if this really works out well today. Up here, we see the 3 air conditioning units. We see some storage boxes up here, which is quite handy for lots of stuff which is normally accumulating, from cushions to sun lounges to golf gear to whatever. And I'm just up here now on the roof terrace, and this is just again a beautiful view overlooking Garden 9 here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. As we said, it's starting February. We have actually still 16 degrees. We had sunshine nearly all day long. Pools are, as we can see, operating, but there are not a lot of people going into the pool at the moment. I don't know why. Maybe the temperatures, people wait until it becomes again above 20 degrees. Isn't it nice now? I also love the colors in the bedrooms, Leslie. It's really, I don't know why, yeah? My team was a little bit, they had mixed opinions about it, but I have to say this is just great. Okay, having said that, let's have a look at the back down here. As you know, in the gardens, space 964, which we can see here right-hand side to the motorbike down there. So it's pretty close to the apartment. You just walk up there. It's maybe 50 meters up, down, and we are here already. So pretty close, own car park. So let's walk down again after seeing the terrace. This is obviously a private staircase, which is only used by the apartment, so your neighbor has his own staircase. Hi Soraya, hope you're okay. And we are down again on the terrace, which is just beautiful. But I'm here to show you the apartment. So we have set up here a little bit of a small morning breakfast thingy. And back to the apartment, where you can see there are lots of things which are normally not in these apartments you can find in here. And it's kind of an artwork. Yeah, I really like it. So we said reference 3625 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, where you do find about 65 or 68 properties available actually on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, being 2 or 3 bedrooms, being on La Isla, being on the penthouses, gardens, naranjos, you name it, we have it. So you can see it's all matching, it's all done, and even some of the small details here, we come again with the same coloring. So they know what they did, really, definitely. As we said, fully fitted with air conditioning. The property is sold as seen. And I left the mirror here because the mirror allows me today to show also that we have dressed up for the colors. So you see me today in the mirror, and I'm happy of it because we're really matching the color today. Not in the master bedroom because I didn't bring my Costa uniform.
In the purple room,
no, there's no mirror in the purple room.
Oh, no.
Oops. But I didn't bring my Costa uniform today. Is there a mirror?
There's a mirror.
Really?
Come here.
Where?
Here.
Just let me see.
Purple and
yeah, this is the purple team today. I love the purple thingy.
No, it is special. It's not for everyone. It's a love and hate thing, and that's also the kind of reactions that we get.
Exactly.
At the viewing, it's the first impression. It's either wow or.
Let's get out of here.
But no matter what you think, whether you like it or not, it like you say, the attention to detail. It's really all matching. It's all uniform throughout.
Exactly.
It's really every little thing, even the in the kitchen. I don't know if you've noticed.
No.
But even the handles on the cabinets are black.
Oh wow, yes.
You know, they haven't been left in metal. No, they're black to
Yeah,
match. It's
yeah,
really the
to
color
match
scheme
the-
is really throughout.
Yeah, it's amazing. No, it's really a great property, I have to say. I do understand people as well who say, wow, this is really, I can't stand it, no doubt about. But on the other side, I really think that shows what you can do with these apartments. No? We can discuss the coloring, no doubt about, but it really shows the level of detail or the level of attention you can bring to this apartment. So, no, this is really great. Apart from that, asking price we set 69,900, as always open to sensible offers. This and many more properties you'll find on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, where you'll find many 2 and 3 bed apartments on Condado de Alhama and in other areas in the Murcia region. Yes, Eva, thank you very much. Colors can be changed, and it's a beautiful garden as well. It's not too big. And I know that there are many happy owners here, and as any garden on Condado, also Garden 9 is its own family. No? So each of us thinks that the property, well, that the garden where we have our property is always the best garden, no doubt about it. I also think the same. I will not mention our garden, but I also think it's exactly the same thing, that the property we have in this garden is also the best garden, obviously. So this also shows that there is kind of a dedication of the owners as well towards their garden, and that's what it is. Garden 9 is really beautiful, and wow, it's just a fantastic feeling here. Okay, I'll just show you quickly again the roof terrace, because I think this is an important bit and many people don't really use it as it can be used. So just let me show you again the roof terrace. As we said, it's the same size as the apartment. So we're talking about some 60 square meters up here. There is an awning also installed here, which is quite handy. So you also have a shady area here. Especially sun here can be pretty intense, the temperatures as well. So you will be happy to have here also this additional awning, which is professionally done as well with a cover on top to avoid that the rainwater goes in there. So that's really all well done. And I think it provides up here a beautiful spot for all kind of activities, being a barbecue, just having a gin and tonic up here. It's really nice. So, on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you find this apartment under reference 3625. Asking price is only 69,900. The community fees for this apartment are approximately 85 euros per month, including all services provided by the community, as well as access to 100 megabit internet, national and international TV channels. As I always say, you have only to bring your television, because that's not included, but all the channels are included. Means you don't need any kind of satellite dish or similar. Okay, a quick glance through this apartment again. Wow, I love the color. I just love the colors. Congratulations to the owners. It's really a beautiful property, I have to say. This was the living room. Here we go again with the master bedroom. Here we are. This is kept in yellow and blue, fully air conditioned, as well as fitted wardrobes, as we can see here. There's maybe a little bit of TLC necessary in the wardrobes, because I think there is kind of a chest of drawer missing or something. No? This would be a good idea to put it in. No?
Yes, yeah,
Yes, yes.
You see, even the clothes, even the hangers are purple. And
Even the hangers are purple?
You see?
Yeah! So, even the hangers are purple, yes. Great. So, second bedroom. As we said, it's sold fully furnished, fully fitted, as we see it today on our virtual tour today. Comes included with a car park, which we have seen already. And as we said, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and this is now the bathroom corresponding with bathtub, glass shower screen, and, well, all other necessary items for a bathroom. Okay, Having said that, having seen that, I have to say thank you very much for joining our virtual open house today here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, where we have seen an apartment, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom on Garden 9, the number 964. For more details, maybe even to arrange a viewing, don't hesitate to contact us either by email to info@qualityhomescostacaleda.com or just call our office at 0034 868 619 319. Thank you ever so much for watching our show today, and I'm looking forward to see you next week again for a total different apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort or maybe somewhere else. Happy days. Cheers.